Welcome to the toy shed at Heale Manor. I'm your host, Lord Heale. Well, check this out. This is my latest acquisition. This is my latest project. So what I'm going to be doing with this is I'm going to do it up slightly. Going to give you a full Monty look round, close up, to see what it's like. And then what we're going to do is we're going to spend some time restoring it back to a really beautiful looking condition, and we're going to make some, as we say, some updates on it. So let's give you a look around. So we'll start at the front. So as you can see, it's a BSA 175 D7 Bantam. So it's got a brand new tyre on the front. Now if we have a look at the front wheel, you can see there's a bit of rust and a bit of pitting and stuff like that on there. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cleaning all that up. It's got a new headlight on it, and new switches. The mileometer is reading 10,048. So it's done a little bit of mileage. So as you can see on the handlebars, there's a little bit of work that needs doing, just a little bit of touching up. Looking at the petrol tank, it looks in really good condition. The engine doesn't look too bad. However, if you have a look down there, it's got a bit of a leak. So we're going to be sorting out the leak. One other thing that we're going to be looking at doing is we're going to update the electrics. It's had a new wiring loom on it, but what I'd like to do is convert it to electronic ignition, because electronic ignition makes it run smoother, runs better. So if you have a look at the rear wheel, that obviously needs a little bit of work. Looking at the chain looks in good condition. So there's a little bit of touching up work that needs doing. The seat is in really good condition. The back is good. Might need a little bit of a reflector on there. It doesn't need an MOT. Coming on to the right hand side, it's had a new speedo cable. The exhaust looks as though it needs a little bit of TLC. The gear change and the kickstart obviously needs a little bit of touching up again. And then we come to this side of the engine, and again the crankcase and that just needs a little bit of polishing up work. This side of the tank it's all in good condition. There's no dents in it. The mud guard looks as though it's all original. And again, on this side, we're just looking at the front wheel that needs a bit of touching up. So it's had two brand new tyres on it, and a new headlamp, and a new wiring loom. So that is the BSA D7 175 Bantam. So over the next few months I'm going to be fettling it, cleaning it. I'm borrowing a bike table off a mate that we're going to set it up down the back corner there. And I have enough room to work on it with the bike table in place. So there you go. That's the project. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is there anything that you would recommend that I do?